Hello, children. How are you? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Well, children, do you know how to measure objects? How long is an object? Or how high is it? How broad? How heavy? Can you tell this by simply looking at the objects? See, this is Kia, sweet and little Kia. And here are two pencils. One is red and one is yellow. Are these two pencils similar to each other? Are they both same? Okay, if you have to choose one out of these two for yourself, then which one will you choose? Kia's mother has also asked her to choose one pencil out of these two. Which one will she like more? Red one or the yellow one? Both the colors look beautiful. But Kia is not looking at the color of pencils. It is something else. Guess what? What will be your choice? Which pencil? I will take the longer pencil. It is so long and so nice. Wow, it's beautiful. I will love to write with it. It will work for days. I like a long pencil, long and useful. I will choose this longer pencil only. Which one will you choose? Let's see which pencil has Kia selected for herself. I am sure she will also like the longer pencil. Hey, what's this? She liked the smaller one better. Sweet and little, just like Kia. Yes, this one is also good. It is so easy to hold it. And it looks so beautiful. I like all pencils. Longer ones and also shorter ones. All of them. Look, Kia is going out to play in the park. Hey, there are two slides. One is longer while the other one is shorter. So tell me, which one will Kia use for sliding? She is so small. Maybe she will choose the smaller slide. Let's see how many steps it has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Come, let's now count the steps of this longer slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, 7 steps. But Kia will like that smaller slide with 4 steps only because she is also small. Let's see. Hey, she is walking towards the longer slide. She is going to play on this one only. Oh, I was wrong again. But next time I will surely give the right answer. Okay, let's see. Which one of these two leaves is longer? Here, this leaf is longer. That was right. Hey, look, two different types of brooms. So tell me, which one is longer? Yes, look at the stick attached to it. How long is the stick? Wow! I need a small rope to tie something. So tell me, which rope should I use? I need only a small piece of rope. So choose the smaller one. Yes, that's right. Very good. You get 2 marks for this. Now tell me, which sugarcane is smaller that I can easily eat? Little and sweet. Yes, that's right. Correct again. So 2 more marks. This all was very easy. Now let me show you 3 objects at one time and you will have to tell me which one is the longest. Longest of all 3. Oh, so many red chilies. And this one? Yes, this one is the longest of all. We need to be aware of it. It must be very hot. The longest, the hottest. Let's find out the shortest one now. Here, we have it here. Little and sweet. Is this sweet? No, not at all. It must be very hot. Shortest, but still very hot. Look, here are 3 spoons. Grandpa wants the longest of all. So find it out for him. Yes, right. This one is the longest spoon. Now, please find out the longest maze for Grandma. She likes it very much. Wow, so long and yummy. Now, find out the shortest stick for Kia to play with. Short, very short, shortest of them all. Yes, right, very good. You all are very intelligent. Hey, look, giraffe. It is so tall. Look at its neck. This giraffe is as tall as a tree. See, its friend, goat, is also here. They both look hungry. Do you know what will they eat? The tree leaves. Giraffe is quite tall. He can easily reach the tree leaves. He is eating them. But why is this goat not eating the tree leaves? Oh, how short it is. It cannot reach the leaves of this tree. This tree is also very tall. Is there any other tree here? Oh, the goat has found some shrubs for itself. These shrubs are not too tall. The goat can easily eat their leaves. This is right. Giraffe is tall, so tall tree. And goat is short, so short shrubs. Come, let's see which one of these is taller and which is shorter. So tell me, which one of these two is taller? And here? And here? Very good. That was absolutely correct. You get 2 more marks. Okay, now the reverse. Now tell me, which one of the two is shorter? And here? Hey, there we have the pictures of 3 houses. This house is so tall, such big, the tallest of all. This one is shorter. And this one, it is the shortest of all. So now your turn. You tell me which one is the tallest tree. Yes, right. And the shortest? Yes, correct. The shortest one is this plant. So let's find out the tallest bird. The tallest of them all. Correct. So now find out the shortest joker. The shortest of all 3. Wow, that's also correct. So what will you get now? 2 more marks. Very good. You all are amazing. First, you had found out for me a very nice sugarcane. A little one. It was very juicy, sweet and tasty. I want one more sugarcane. See, here are 2 sugarcanes. Please choose a nice one out of these 2 for me. How is this thick sugarcane? Yes, this one is fine. But how to peel it? It's not easy. I cannot do it. That earlier one was not like this. Why is it so? Oh, because this one is so thick. So very thick. And that sugarcane was thin. Let's leave it here. See, here are 2 friends, Tisha and Ria. Both have tied their hair in a plait. Ria's plait is thicker and Tisha's plait is thinner. They both have a reel also, a thread reel. Ria's reel is also thicker, like her plait, and Tisha's reel is thinner. What if they both exchange their reels? Then Ria will have thicker plait and thinner reel, and Tisha will have thinner plait but thicker reel. Okay, now your turn. Look and tell me, which one of these brooms is thicker? Red, or the blue one? That's right. And here, which tree is thicker? Very good. That's also right. Now tell me, which arrow is thinner? Thin. Thinner of both. Right. And which rope is thinner? That's also right. And here we have 3 books. How thick is this book? This second book is thinner than that. And this last one is thinnest of them all. This one is the thickest and this one is the thinnest. Thicker things are also good. So please find out the thickest of all the pencils. Wow, such a thick pencil. That's funny. Okay, now find me a thin brush. Thinnest one, the thinnest of all. Wow, you have chosen the right one. So 2 more marks. Today you are going to take away all the numbers. My number basket is going to be empty soon. Look here, such a big pumpkin. Do you eat pumpkin? It's yummy. I like pumpkin very much. Would you please bring it here for me? Have you ever lifted a pumpkin? It is very heavy. This big pumpkin must be very heavy. Try to lift it sometime. Hey, here is a round tomato. This must not be very heavy. It is lighter in weight. Oh, look here. An elephant and an ant. So tell me, who is heavier? If an ant climbs your hand, then it's okay. You can remove it. But if an elephant steps on your hand? No, that's not possible. An elephant is very heavy. Okay, tell me, here which object is lighter? Lighter than the other one. Easy to carry. And lighter. See, this lock is so small, but it is heavier than the shirt. The shirt is lighter. And here? Yes, the small cylinder is lighter. Now tell me, which object is heavier here? Very good. And here? That's also right. Now find out the heaviest watermelon of them all. And the lightest? Very good. Here, which object is the heaviest? Yes, think. Very good. And here? Now tell me, which one is the lightest? The lightest of them all. Right, very good. See, here on the shelf, so many books. Oh, what's this? A cycle and a coal drum? Why are they here? We don't need them. Let's remove them. Oh, that was such a heavy drum. Okay, see. Out of these, I like this book. I will read this one. Hey, let's measure how long is it. But how to measure? Yes, one day my father was measuring the length of a table with his hands. So why not measure it with hands only? Like this. By opening the hand completely, from thumb to the little finger. Wow, my hand looks so big. You can see your own hand. Let's start measuring now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will call it 4 hand spans. This book is 4 hand spans long. Now let's measure this table. Hey, why not make a picture of our hand? For this, keep your hand on a piece of paper like this. And now make its outline with the help of a pencil. And this will make a hand span. Come, let's measure the length of this table now. We will use a pencil. I hope you know how to measure. You need to keep it again at the exact point where it had reached for the first time. Look, Priya is measuring the blackboard of her class with the help of her pencil. Hey look, Gilli Danda! Have you ever played this game? So tell me, how will these children know who has thrown it the farthest of all? See, these children are measuring the distance with the stick only. That's great. The game has a perfect name. Gilli Danda. These children are measuring some lengths with the help of their feet. Look here. And here. And here also. You can also do this. Pen, pencil, stick, rope, thread, etc. You can use any of these to measure the lengths of various objects. You will enjoy this. You all have given the correct answers to all my questions. What is longer? What is taller? What is shorter? What is heavier? And what is thicker? It means you can also answer easily all the questions from the 7th chapter of your book, which is measurement. So go and quickly bring your mathematics book and write the answers to all the questions. And we will meet in the next chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.